All right, guys, I just want to talk about the importance of flushing your carbon. We have a pre-production prototype model here, and we're about to run it. We're going to run it with ROs in it. We're going to performance test it. But first, we're going to flush our carbon because we got fresh carbon in there. So, conveniently, we have this little tube that we can flush from that we can hook up. You may not have that on site. No problem. Just be warned, I'm about to get black water everywhere. So if you've ever changed a faucet filter or a fridge filter, you'll notice at first it spits a little bit of black water out. Well, that's a tiny little cartridge. Well, here we have a 30-inch carbon cartridge. We're about to make a ton of black water here, and what we definitely don't want to do is run this through our system. So give me just a second here, let me kick over this pump. Take just a second for the system to fill up, and then we're going to start flushing our carbon. And here it comes. Look at that. That's definitely what you don't want in your ROs. Spitting out a little air. I'm going to stand this system up also so that the gravity evenly distributes the water throughout this system to fully flush the carbon. This thing's heavy. I'm expecting a little more black water to come out of there. Well, none of this was too bad because we're using the catalytic carbon. It tends to be a little cleaner. It goes through an extra step in the manufacturing process, but either way, you definitely want to flush your carbon. Any of the proprietary carbons that come from REC products, you don't have to worry about it so much with the carbon blocks, some of the more common off-the-shelf filters, but our proprietary carbon is solid carbon media, so you definitely want to flush it out very well so that you don't blow that carbon and clog up your expensive ROs. That's it, guys.